Hi guys, it's Victoria here. Let's make bullet lipstick together. So right now I'm just going in with my beeswax and I'm going to measure 10 grams of beeswax. Next, I'm going to be measuring my cetyl alcohol, just 5 grams. Next is my stearic acid. Now I'll be adding 6 grams of stearic acid. I like to measure my butter separately from my waxes because butters tend to melt faster than waxes. If you don't want everything unmelted, just have to do it separately. So now I'm adding my coconut oil. "15 grams of coconut oil. Now I'll be going in with my mango butter. I love mango butter a lot for lip products because I believe that's the best moisturizer you can get for your lips. If you want lips that are not cracky, you want to go in with mango butter and almond butter. So I'm just adding mango butter, about 5 grams. And this is my almond butter. I'm just going to be adding like 3 grams of it because it doesn't really hold a lot. It's very soft and you don't want butter. Now I'll be going in with my cocoa butter. I love cocoa butter because it's strong and then it gives my lipstick a good hold. So I'm not going to be putting too much. I'm just adding only 3 grams because I'm adding it just because it's strong and it's going to give the lipstick a good hold. I think you can always substitute with shea butter, so I'm going with cocoa butter now. And then this is my titanium dioxide. It's just a powder, and the reason why I'm adding this is because I want to lighten the color of the mixture because of the different color of the butters. You don't want to end up having a base that is looking very dark colored. So I just added titanium dioxide. As you can see, it's not really, I just added a little. Wax and my butter in different containers. This is just me mixing my color with oil. You want to make sure that your colorant is highly pigmented. So I've melted both the waxes and the butters, and then I'm just mixing both together. When I'm done mixing, I'm going to pour it inside another bowl and allow it to cool down for a while. This for a few seconds, and so this is my base with this you can make any color of lipstick of your choice. Just take out of it. So yeah, I'm just taking a part of the base to make my lipstick that I don't know the color. It's supposed to be a dark shade of purple, but I don't understand the color. It's still purple, but it's too dark. It's not what I'm expecting. So I just want to make a little bit. And I was just hoping to make just one tube, right? But eventually even that little I took was too much. I'm just going to oil my what is called this now, my bullet lipstick kit, or the kit sham. So I'm just oiling it, because you want to oil it very well so that when you are pulling out the lipstick, it's easy for you to pull out. So, and then after adding the color to the butter, I went back to melt it. So this is it after melting it. So I'm just pouring it inside, and I made a really big mess. So you can see the sediment underneath. The sediment is from the color. So I'm not going to pour everything because I don't want all that sediment inside. But I made a big mess. But the good thing about this is that because it's wax, yeah, it's going to cool very fast, and then I'm just going to clean it with a tissue. It's as simple as that. So I put it inside the freezer for 90 minutes. And then when you're bringing it out, when you see that it has these holes, then you know that it's ready. So when you want to bring it out, you want to push the plastic up as if you are removing all your lipstick out, and then you push it down on the lipstick, and then you turn it. That's all. Then you pull it out. That's all. Yeah, you have it. Your bullet lipstick. So it's not hard. It's nice. So I'm going to do a swatch of it so you can see. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye.